Actually, I invited to this forum, and this is a good opportunity for us as in Gulf countries to know more about Uzbekistan. It's very close to us, only 3 hours between my country to Uzbekistan, but the problem is there is no that much, communicate, there is no much business, and we are trying actually to improve this business and these relations. Today we have an embassy here in Uzbekistan, and we are trying actually to have an Uzbekistan embassy in Oman. This is one. The second thing is we are actually trying to do a business between the two countries. We will have a big company. It's a fiber optic company. Will be joint venture between Oman and Uzbekistan. It comes maybe in very near future. And also I'm a specialist in the stock exchange, so we are trying actually to have some projects between the two stock exchange. We will try to give a training courses to the employees of the stock exchange here in Uzbekistan, and we have already established a booklet which will be distributed to all students, people of Uzbekistan, shows them how to invest in their stock exchange. Actually, we would like to learn more and especially about the regulations, the rules of this country. You can't ask any investor to come in and to invest unless you have to know about the rules, regulations, and how it could be improved. And this will be opportunity for me to explain to my people in Oman about the opportunities here and how we could improve the business between two countries.